Wow, just deleted the whole video.
That's crazy.
I didn't even touch it.
So today we have udon noodles inside of a bumbrio broth. This broth is normally meant to be eaten with vermicelli noodles.
You know what I like? You said chili.
Huh?
Chili oil.
Yeah, this is good. That's spicy. Cái đó ớt ra cay lắm. Anh chị làm ớt giấm nè. Ớt với tỏi ngon. Giòn giòn, ngon rồi đó. Oh, you put a lot? It's getting on your hands. Guy.
Last time I put a lot, bro, I started dying. I ain't gonna lie.
No, it should be spicy.
That's why I'm dying.
Ngon chị. Tỏi.
Really?
Yeah, it's really good. It's crunchy.
Muốn nữa không?
Không. Tôi ăn hết nguyên cái chén này chắc đau bụng chó luôn. This just smacked earth, huh?
Yep. Matcha. No. Have a matcha?
A matcha? Yeah, smoothie or
Milk tea.
milk tea?
Yeah. No boba though.
No balls.
Yeah, I can't believe my video really was deleted.
Right.
Yeah.
That wavy here. My nose is running.
Hey guys, this here.
Damn.
This garlic wasn't. They made this pickle garlic. Oh,
Yeah. So low. Yeah. Come back.
I'm not feeling blood clots today.
I have a bite of it, but I'm not impressed by it. Juice ordered it with bug. I was like, nobody does that.
Nah.
That doesn't go together.
When she didn't eat it.
No, because you got disgusted.